Ghana for ya mamu nyina adwo ya mu akwa abado eba Nkwa Hia dwumadi no eso nyame adom wode ahye bosome foforo mo na sede wa wuni mo no Nkwa Hia dwumadi afi no ya ye ne sene ye bekoso bosome bia mu nyarewa hodo a ye bo ho dawuro no na ye de ho nkomo twetwe no so abronti adom ni nti ye de general no akwa akogu amane ya hye febwa bosome emu na wo hwe kwasia da ya na yayi de si ho wiase nyina ebodawro afa cancer ho kokram no ye wona hodo bebre na enei wo Nkwa Hia dwumadi so no ye hwe cancer interventions kwan ahodo a ye befa so na yesi kokram ano kokram yarewa no edoso bebre na so nyume de yesi yedi nkomo no de afa prostate and breast cancer ho fi se die wo papa enti free sabre ko sise no ndu bebo apemo no ene yentena na wadwenkyere ne wonsem bisa ne nyina nso no na wode akọ Instagram afia tamaklo medi afia mankwa tamaklo mpanifo anase nyumaku ahodo bi ene boye chidom medi wondino ebeto dwa mpanifo nso nyumrei omobo amiedi enkomo no meyi wo nyina kyere na sabre de aboafo no yenkwaje won krato ye ba ye beto aso Mesa mamunyina kwa ba Nkwa Hia dwumadi na wo hwe no Adom TV so adwoda nwumre bia no nknompamo de kosi nondu ne atena se na ye de abro nti afi no obeka yensa afi so ene ye bedi nkomo no pa nti enyi afidie no emfiri ha na nwumre so empanifo a wonmo ba ebeboa yense busumi wei eye national anase World Cancer Day no ye ba bedi hu nkomo kwasi da ye di da no na adwoda de ye hwe kwan ye befa so a obi anya cancer Ewana brabom me Dr. Raphael Nyakute Obo, research professor of prostate and holistic medicine. Dr. Nyume Mwakwaba. Yeah, that's na femia minuaba Evelyn no say amua. Ya wono so Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives a year oncology nursing resident. Obapa tuntum say you ya mwajo. Yeah, that's papa passe nyume so me frɛ mo magye yen so na hye so sɛ yetumi de Nkwa Hia dwumadi ebramo a enyumakɔ bi adaroma so mo nka ho anke bɛɛdɛ you darling mojadro efie bia mu wono mo ehia bi wono mo etumi boa pa e ma pemfo no kra de wo maso mu twetwe fi sɛ folic acid wom oba bia nso ansakra obɛfa afuro no folic acid de ehia wo nipaduam you darling mojadro kope binom na emu asanso koa fs eno na ebusi immune system no ti sɛ immune system no eni ahoden ayare bia na eba beso so nomkwa fs nenya ahoden pa thanks to you computer clinic and so eboa ye papa ya enei wokọ aye asaman kese suhuma asaman kese kwantempon mu na se one more ewo ho yare bia diabetes ana hypertension Mr. Wodio Borua ho adokotafo anesefo no won my krado ya wo mo ebehwe wo won nyumaku ebo ya chidom na ye de Nkwa Hia dwumadi no ebebro last baby de oya last baby nti de bia mpese boni din la so ho timpen for me sam makwa ababiem enne ya ye hwe World Cancer Day ye pese cancer no de yetu ase kra nti medical de free as a nemana ya champion nti mini can fan free ho nti enne de be ye mema first we say e ma no ena ye take you over ye cancer nkasa doctor dia
yo me da say na cancer no yabo hu deru nkofo so ati but the public just brief about cancer na may use some example maybe say maybe hano na traffic or crew it won't say ideally I was say cars in drivers in follow the track regulation but it be a special throttle drivers was na it be afa baby obi so afa baby so sometimes when the environment is not conducive about say na obi fabi na be fabi so naturally cancer cells they behave they have a normal pattern but so see obi anya kokram it means sana be traffic na cars na be fabi obi si fabi some of these cells tend to behave and move out of control now you say wanya kokram so when the environment is not conducive some of the cells no say na omo baby afa now you say wanya kokram but one obia wo kokram cancer cells obia will be but it's at the dormant stage edaho now into uko hospital na doctor say wanya kokrama it means say no ebedu epimpenso bia say no ombetimi use standard text medical diagnostic text ebetimi a diagnose wanya kokram it is a word say woni kokrama doesn't mean say cancer cells no be ne ho but do level bia ebetimi apiki test ebetimi apiki say wanya kokram.
Okay. Enti ene na tese ne tofa bomu ano no na se de medical ade atodwa no cancer ne de edoso ahodo bebre ba enumere de ye hwe prostate fi se no ha adwen prostate cancer ni ahwe breast cancer fi se wo hwe mu kra mpanifo edi a kire me kakra ne pictures no ne ade ni nyina ebe ya mmahwe e serious emfa ni agro hunu no fo no mu ababi a wa hu se won tiase enya wo ya ba hu eni agrokra ntina wonye bibidro nkwa de kan ko hospital wansa awe no menye o manum asem enka menko obapa Evelyn osiamu anso ho se the doctor kanu aboni nyina atofa cancer no aboni nyina atofa na wonso waye wona asini a wo de wo se ade a obesua ne kokram ho ade nko na obesua yenhwe breast cancer waye osua ni a wahunu koso asua de pese otene ma ase no say na honsam tie o man Ghana mu kokram honsam breast cancer so there was ro ana education ne yinti ya hwe ho ye senate
medase bebre breast cancer no ampa edaso wo ho no ye koso a ebo ho dero but still there ya wo mu kra ne say time omo fambra no na eya kechi omo di kan ba ntem no eye kakra bi adentia if you say breast cancer sha ase no na eye mese pompo na abome nti pain bebre no enkofo bebre edi chinchini bebre ampa breast cancer koso power omayemu say ye share statistics na ye fa cancers ni nyina emma de breast cancer ena ekuyen pa
sa ye fa cancers ni nyina emma famu no breast cancer no fomu kokram
ena ekuyen pa say yaka say a whole Ghana yemfa say we nipa be 2000 ena hospital out of the 2000 emu 1000 ewu adentia because time na omu fambra no a later stage
say yes kra
very good nti e was so number no edoso because a year na ye admit nipa 2000 na say ye share nipa 2000 breast cancer nko that means it's so alarming number na e cause and e ku e man so bebre
asem o
asem
ai ni kwan se edidi agro
debi
e de na obi behu say kokram ya abare no fun
me da se say oba bia wo hwe onofo na say wo de wonsa e kan nofo na wo say wonsa e kan emma nkitinkiti bi wom sa ma ne wo ho kokram yare no so e ba e de aba e na eba
okay
nti e wo say utumi hu difference between aba na eda de wo onofo num say na esitie brofu kasamu anase medical te yebeka say lobules no e wo say wo hu difference na wo hu lamp no aba na ebeto no fo num no say kokram yare na eba ebio oba bia wo say wo hu say ne wo no fo sitie adenti efi say kokram yare na eba no fo na ebe sha say free mu no fo no size esisa ebio etimi ye kese ye chen no fo ba ko no ite wo say wo hu onofo no size ebio no fo ne color etimi sesa enti se me ameye tuntumi e wo say me hu the way am no fo color etie se ebe ya se nsesa ye bi eba no fo ne ho a efa color fama me hu ne ntem ebio nso wo hu the way anka esitie no na abubo ntoko nkakra kokram yare no efa no fo na etimi ma no fo ne yesa efa no
nyina amasa no no pe
ba bia ebe sha ase no na sha ase enti e sha ase fi o ade ba ko e kokram yare ho ne se etene
enti so wo hwe explain doctor de ma ye na
etene nti it either say ebe tene wo ba bia e wo na ebe fa area na e wo ho no anase betimi afri ba bia e wo no ebi betimi ate akwotena ba bi foforo wo nipadua no nti etene nti ba bia ebe sha ase afri no obehu se na eho no ayete sa anka abubo ntokuro ebio oba ne no fo na no obehu se bia wo ho no ma ensuo etimi free hoba
abra on breastfeed o ma akwa
on breastfeed nsuo etimi free hoba ensuo ni bi wo hwa say umia no for na no na wo hwa ebi wo hodoma etimi ye green ebi wo ha ye mojasu na free no for no mo ba ebi wo ha umia wo behu ebi wo hodoma nipa ne te ho na eno atimi ba enti say uhu bibi sa
na wo hu say no for no o ha wo ba ye beto wo de no so hwa no nso se Nkwa Hia adwumade na wo hwa no Adom TV so adwada bi ya men na kra fine wa bread ye but we no ya pomuden de ye mpesa 2018 ye toto no asekura nti ne ya hyasie gidigidi saa no ti no ya memma no empaw mawie yi beba so eche breast de no ye hwe prostate nso fi se no nso ha dwen pa so de doctor me wa hia pen o mahu se be ma bia o prostate na prostate na de na beka no na aye cancer
yo me da say na prostate no essential what adia ye name say more before na high empower is more prone to the black race now one more kind articles or chronicle papers munina no they know the pattern but near say and yet the incidence no but sanipa nya the survivor and ultimate surviving that is the problem now with cancer no incidence rate need the ultimate cancer over preventing the incidence rates.
Okay.
But you should be able to do something about the mortality rates. Send for instance, all cancer, breast cancer, 2,000, 2,000. So it means about 50%. And so it means obinya breast cancer. I say football match. You start here 50-50. This is 90 minutes. Now some of them be at the end. It's a very way alarming. Now, for prostate cancer now, we share the incidence rate now. It's just about close to about 1,000. That's almost about 978 according to figures now available. And then yes, prostate cancer yearly ever Ghana.
Hey.
Now, near
Tobo Mama Kakra, Ghana has some kwana walking.
Yes, close to about 1,000 amphibiano. That's almost, yes, almost 1,000. It's about 978. And then yes, prostate cancer annually. Okay. No. Now, near a money who say out of 978, no, a kunko for 758. Now, so it means just about 17% of the men have prostate cancer and they're surviving. Compare that to 50% of the women are surviving breast cancer. So it means now, we share figures now, it is prostate cancer and they lead the mortality rate in Ghana.
Prostate cancer?
Yes, yeah. Obianya kukrama. Remember the amunya omudiana ekuomupa. Yes, because yes, but we share 50% against 17.17%. If you look at statistics, because the medical community believes in statistics. Until we look at the statistics now, it tells us say, "Nema bibi oha," or say "mema no," or say "na obeme bia or prostates." Any problem, any taboo. Obeme bia or internet de bia me can say every man has prostates, but every prostate doesn't have to make a man's life miserable.
Okay.
Until I was say prostate need but any say. Prostate na wo ho ema
ekodane o how dey yare cancer bia ba
because the whole man depends upon our prostate no just as the breast is the priceless access of women no the prostate and so na ye mema no yen
enne kura mo
crying this a prostate no tonchima and answer problem ba ho a obenya problem.
Okay.
Now yen sheda ni nyama potia diba the causes no and they said that most of the cancers apart from cervical cancer where we know it has a high viral connection no apart from the others no yen sheda means sisubia say weight and idea diba but if there be risk factors nyama bi wo wa etima adianiba however most of these risk factors are not necessarily cancer causing agents so risk factors and just say so risk group na ebetimi ama obenya kokram. For instance, you say obeme bi an onya obetimi anya prostate cancer.
Okay.
So no, one of the ageist myths. They say what we do know say even prostate cancer is even found in young men. So it's no more yarea painful and pneumonia sa yen. Even recent publication the British Medical Journal realized about 50% of men breast cancer is found in men in their 40s, 45 and 50s.
I know assemble. Didn't see na man
yeah, because say nyama bebre assessor. In fact, in lifestyle and nyama bebre or because a spectrum kukram a spectrum nyama bebre eba and ma obitimi nya kukram. Nti wunyi no is also another thing. But what we also know say compare that to other countries like the Asia territories, you know, most of these men are known as centenarians. Almost meaning more than 100 years and above, but still the cancer incidence in the film.
Oh, so more difference.
The environment plays a role. Okay. Environment, you know, the beer one and casano jurisdiction, and so very well. Another thing play a role. Say nipa beti menya kokram.
Environment benya na Ghana ye ninti ebema kokram akosro.
Good. Oshe pollution another thing.
Okay, ye car too musi.
Be kwa.
Oh.
And then one anka. Ghana Hampo, we shouldn't have a problem because one important vitamin D from the sunlight. When you have vitamin D, the sun hits it, skin and convert into the vitamin D. Now, vitamin D is a provitamin, a very, very important key vitamin. Now scientists are looking at your research. It was our vitamin, the important because we know cases like breast cancer, prostate cancer, diabetes, and most of these medical conditions, they have a problem. There's a problem with the vitamin D deficiency. Now, as could be the prostate cancer transatlantic consortium group at the University of Florida. Now, a lot of research on why black men are more prone to prostate cancer. A balance of vitamin D we are now we share the issue of family history. If one is obi ebusian. Now, one thing is just ebusian only contribute just about 5%, 5 to 10%. Now, family history of cancers, most of these cancers only account for 5 to 10%. Now, the problem is that 5%, 95% everything. Now, 10%, 90% everything. Now, the fact that we busian just say omonya kokram doesn't mean say obi bia busian betimanya kokram. Now, most of these tumors, tumor suppressors, ideally, say cancer and cells in the wayward, they are supposed to suppress the tumors. Now, what you get from webusiemu, and idea
environment,
and full-blown cancers. For instance, ufa yemyenu say, na ifane say kankokram, ewa webusiemu, and I say me a busian with a very strong health and ono abusiam a apomodin ni sheda anya we bia but if I say or no because on him say bia problem won abusiam no she decides to what improve upon ni lifestyle on what happens say ni lifestyle now improving upon it no e be affect
the family members
adia the genes na adia wanya free na abusiam no likewise wo abusiam a if I say also no kokram ebo mu a anase kokran nim krana and you decide to abuse your life as part of unyi no what happens say adia why no nyama na why unyi no bia say wo smoky o nomonsa o ye nyama bia it may affect o strong constitution when you're from family no so
that mean chawano mama from abofoi and to jashano so say a beti ye dia page 1 salon Obeoti Kama at the amount Domiv organizer ho and one more for 0544319157 now Romeo collection and to be designed on Kama so at the amount Kumase 0242315789 now we share a year nanofix IT screen protector na ebebo ho ban fi nima bebre mu ofunu pese be hwe na ni apaya we here nanofix IT screen protector na ebebo phone ho ban ene radiation nom ni ade mai ye pentena ehye no fo ho pese obenya breast cancer limbia wonya nanofix IT screen protector na odem ona okwo ani mo no numeration no so say cancer interventions ekwan ye befa so a ye betu cancer na say ye emmeha nipadua no if you say busumi we no ye body road afa cancer ehunti no numere breast and prostate cancer ena yedi ho enkoma minuaba Evelyn o say amwa na Dr. Raphael Nyakute obu eboa ye kwaje nkrato aba ye ba ebeto so Nkwa Hia adwumade na wo hye no Adom TV so joada 9:30 to 10:30 pm bia yetnase na ye dia bro ye border road dia fa cancer ho ye tu ase kra ye mpese obi abenya bi de wanya no wo de hyefia na be ye ohaw wo de ko hospital a bia ye ntu ase so ye betreat amonya nkwa men eno ho de wo ene ye boy menko Evelyn no say amo aho na ye nhwe obi enya kokram a how bay anase senate ebi mu ehu how serious are there nete wa fa ne so pomponti obetimi de akọ ba bia senate.
Okay. Answer na meba ho no ma me fa we infam. Say ye can breast cancer. Time bia na ya dwen si maso. But ene metina we fide yi so aka. Say mema no enya breast cancer. Sir. Just say omudie no enye that common. Say ye fa ma 10 emu ba ko na benya breast cancer. Ye fa mema 1000 emu ba ko benya breast cancer. Aha, inti mema ni nsunya. Just say enye common. E mema ni nsunya the way amani enya ye hu se na etie ne sa na mema ni so de etie. Aha. Ono hono flat na sa no ubo nya aha, omukwa de ne de na izu se ma no ye de no fat na e wo breast no nti ye brain sa na ye nsa kan lamp no but be ma ni de no because enso no nti they easily even pick it up. Na monya bi wo ho. Ye nya bi go ho. Ye nya bi wo ho. Tamale teaching hospital kwa ntame na se be 2 of them. Aha. Mema. E mema nya. E mema so so nya. Aha. Just omu de na nya common nti na times ye nya hu de be brain no. Okay, na se be nya breast cancer obanzo betime nya. Aha, oba de ni prostate. Oba ni prostate. Okay. Nti my de ni breast cancer no. Aha. Nti back to there now will be some no mama sanfa de emma ye prone to breast cancer enka ho na fe ye hu de ye kom say obanya breast cancer. The fact say ye ma no emma would stand at risk so nya breast cancer adentia ada akra nom no fo ntia na enya ne sa wa hu say oba ye bu yensa oba utimenyem ba be mambu nensa be manyem aha eniema na ewe ni pedua ni ma ye friend hormones na e control say wo bebu wonsa wo benyem aha eno ena ba ko wo ye friend estrogen say ye bebre ewo ni pedua no ma etime ma wo gina a higher risk of developing the breast cancer inti say wo ye oba yi nkwa de you are at risk ebio oba onom nsa oba onom cigarette. They all contain chemicals but for kasem ye beka se carcinogenesis eniema etimima wunya cancer no ebi won some ebi wo cigarette mo it is cigarette yan fa ne te se nicotine nicotine ya de ebetimi am wanya cancer it is wo ye oba na wo sha ase enum cigarette cancer na wadru menopausal age aya na no kra de ehu and a menopausal age no though ebinum nya ntem but normally yet again no between 40 to 49 years say they go for nya ntem your system necessary aha nti nya ntem it is oba no ehye because at that age no or risk it is a wash at enum cigarette na say no wadru sa age na or risk no ekọ so high ebio e ma bi wo ho no ma obo say omoko omu menopausal state no ma ompe niema na ofam no bi obenya hot flashes or huhuro bi de ompe obenya nanka otese ne dada mu na enti ubo se sa ma no ekọ na omu ya ma omu treatment ye fre omu ye fre no menopausal hormonal therapy understand na omu afa se be ya omu nipedua no ebe work it se ne estrogen ni progesterone no eye adwuma no unyusu sa niema no for a long time eno so timi ema won sunsanso ti emfa ne se ofa hormonal therapy no for ebi abe 5 years ebro so a o stand a higher chance ena enema ye de ebo ye ho ban se be ya ye nyinsen ye contraceptive CB ye wo 2 types ye wo bako combined therapy that is ewo estrogen no ewo progesterone no ena ba ko ye progesterone nko a so we obi a what fa estrogen ni progesterone that is combined therapy na offered be 10 years kwa was chances of developing breast cancer high enti eno no mpe bebre ya share man say wo koso koye family planning na bisa omu yiye no omu nkyerɛw se bi webusuanom cancer yare ewo ma nurse na say doctor na all yes ade no ma no ehu obekire obetuufo akire wo de wo ya ebeboa because we use combined therapy no for more than 10 years and also so you stand a higher chance it is we starting at the age of 20 e be our intem ti wo ya family planning Until we starting to use combined therapy now. I had to so be 30 years. Now what to ask that is more than 10 years. Until we chance it in the bedroom by 40, 41. Now waba with breast cancer. You will not understand. Ebio ye genetic makeup de emma wo ye wo trace wo abusuanom. Ebio ho no ma na ebi na mo de emma cancer yare no. Your friend BRCA 1 and 2. Normally I kind of BRCA 1 and 2. Sa who was our trace, you know, e wo unipedria no ma, o stand a higher chance. E mano, mienu ni nyina ti me maye, e mema no, BRCA 2 no, e mema no, enya breast cancer. Nti se bema o was our trace, you know, e we busuanom.
Oh, okay.
O stand a higher chance, say, obenya. Nti normally say, wo ba hospital la, ye ji history na ye bisa wo se wo busuam obi wo mo cancer obi wo hono ma de bi o mabusuam ebi nsi da but ye ne wanwa but ni we fi say doctor kasa na o kase obi a wo trace of cancer just say ye dormant it is say eniema bi be add up to what na but e bia na me fa ne say gene ne wo ebusuam no ya pass it on to you e bia wo de nsa aka ho wo de contraceptives aka more than 10 years aka ho hormonal therapy no de aka ho ni nyina be ka ho a it just prone you into it.
Okay.
Ebi won so say wo ye oba na say wo bu won santem. Nti wo say ebi wo mu bu won sam at an early age. Nti wo bu won santem na bia won menopause num entema. Nti you have a longer stretch exposure to estrogen no because wo bu won sa fa say what shall say if you be 11 years and 12 years wo bu won sa we di 40 unyanya menopause. Nti that means estrogen no still e da so ye adwuma all the time. And the more you are exposed to it now, the more we stand a higher risk of developing it.
Yeah, how serious are no for ni bia ye because of your delay. And omnia dear be monofono, dear me huni abaya finance, sahone. Just say, I know a state bena do sano. Not as any pano or well who feeling be a one terry. And pay bebre, a money bebre, obi honoma or ba. Eye de osi o na pompo mame ba kwa Michelle no osi pompo bo na no de dry so pompo bo na no de dry so iti by the time the man ba hospital kwa no odrum pempes so no ntimi nhome no fo na ye te se boba e na etua ho e na one thing say me di kan say e sha say obedi etimi free woko baby foforo iti say e sha say ono fo we mu na ya ansha anso ano etimi ko no fo ba ko ne nso mo iti say wo hwe ne no fo na ba ku pompo no eba na pai no tifie ye eduro se okase ye pompo e na abo no akoko se de eduro bebe o se na ne be nom ti na ye ne se ne ba ne nom no fo na ne ba ne car no fo na no na e ma ne yes na so kokwam yare e na onya no nti that is how bad it is it what na ifia ma ne yes e na asha se a ekọ sa no fo no nti se wo hwe ne no fo ba ko na who say ntokro ededa ho wo de wonsa so no fo no ma wo movie ko a movie ayese boba na etueti ahonom obi ohonom nso so a o ade kitu ebi pie wo me ha sei me pacho me tina we fide so asremba no fo mu yare enye ni nyina na ebi eye cancer say ye cancer e hyase a enye ya ababeda wo no funum enye ya say ye pompo kwa say be ye oyakakra but cancer yare no say e hyase a enye ya ebeye wo ya no na edidi akonipedua no mu anase ekọ echiri saa time na wote ya wo no eti se wo de wunya wonsa so bibi eti se ababia de mesere ne se bra hospital Kolebu Tuesday area bia radiotherapy center breast clinic it is open enya fe na ukoji folder branera ho kasa opese wo hwe wo no fu me free one every Tuesday ye be hwa ma no mama call doctor nyakuto obu ho nso no so prostate no fa ye mfami cancer cases in dem research ne say wo de wo eno ho ade na ye ma ye nhwe se de tie prostate breast and wo ekeka aka ho
yes o share Ghana ha no statistics no mortality rate no enya bibia e was say the diagro because Osha breast cancer almost a yearly almost about 2,000 cases and all kind but the money is about 1,000 about 50%. Osha cervical cancer you have almost close to about 3,152 and also almost about 1,156 it's me so obviously, no, breast cancer has 50% compared to this, about 49%. We share childhood mofra cancers, even the small figures available, crutches, and why sometimes you have about 240 cases from Kolebu, and then 192 in Kuala. Now, childhood mofra cancers, no, a dozen different and we share prostate. And also the kind of 921 as 752 there. Into share mortality rate now. In fact, a dozen. Into you share because over prostate, I just about 17.70% of member per and now I'm survive. Ammonia prostate cancer. Meanwhile, no, prostate cancer in your yaribe was a kumema. Okay. Because in fact, one of the cancers are. The outlook in fact unya localized or organ confined prostate cancer can okrama and spread and prostate in panel. In fact, you have about 99% of the men survive 15 years. Now, so 1 year through 1 year treatments, we call something the doctors active surveillance, and I say watch and wait approach, and no monitor okay. Nebia we do any D now more counseling and all that. Now a localized, now spread aggressive. In fact, about 99% of the men almost me survive 50 years. It obviously say we are at the age of 60 years. Now you're diagnosed with prostate cancer and it's localized. Spread and poor. If you take the statistics based on the statistics, 15 years plus 60 years, it will taking you to almost about 70 something years. If you're at the age of 70 years, now you're diagnosed with localized prostate cancer. Now one year in fact, almost 90 something years, the big crown become and not even the cancer. And also from the explanation with the causes of breast cancer most of the treatment, the hormone treatment and all that, at the end of the day, problem. It means the interventions, it has to start right from the medical practitioners. Now, it tells you, there's a problem with the cancer treatment. Now, either way run, conventional treatment has a problem, traditional medicine also a problem. Whichever modalities, there's a problem. Now, the only way to bridge this gap is to integrate the system. Now, countries like US and all that, I know some of the cancer treatment centers like the CTCA in the US, now I'm practicing what we call integrative approach to cancer management. Now, because sometimes after the treatment, say radio treatment, hormone treatment, chemo, the problem has to do with the post-treatment and not the treatment itself. And if I say why an operation, sometimes after the operation, what's next? Is there any counseling? Is there any whole quality of life management at a hospital? Remember, I say most of the hospitals in Ghana, they don't even have men's clinic units. Wow. And I remember, especially with the prostate after treatment, they have problem with their sex life and all that. And most of the men are having issues going to the conventional hospitals because they couldn't have an operation. So they are looking for it after surgery, after treatment, after we are then now. Wow. Good. These are some of the things I will say for the interventions management.
Doctor, my main from above for number C, Mamo, thanks to you, computer clinic, Namidi carry to Jan Yawa, do asthma, ne, menstrual pain, hypertension, typhoid, dear, woman to not say, Shusha Womo war, crano, suhum, as a mine case, quantum porno, so yadia beer, hawono, Bora Horna, Doctor Fornia, Ness, 4, nim dear, and 1 wow, 0205 961 109 0205 961 109 and one Kasakua FS your immune booster no over boost your immune system no tiare bia ho an obu ani chief so wonti mentena ne padua ni mo wa ho den no e wo soro esene no memu ba bia kwa FS nroi e bi e wo ho fra 0244186970 0244186970 na jinchiremu you darling Mojadro efie bia ehia nti ne friend say busua enchemfa no eboa pa ma unya ahonen nuro ahodugo no enyina bi ma emerewa nkokora nketesia no nyina obi anom ne mofra nyina you darling pharmacy shops bi e ben wo borum na obenya bi ato 0553632416 0553632416 sanso ena nanofix IT eno ene screen protector abedwama so Mr. Adaje ye ninti we ye na fon ya hwe ho Mr. Wonya nanofix IT liquid protector ibia wo de fa ni ena wo na akwe ya bo ho ban so free noma hodo bebre so phone wo kasa nom ne ade no radiation ne wo mo nso ono ane ne wahala wo de ebro wo ye bo ho ban afinyarwa ho ona wo de pepa phone ani so a scratch no ye papa pa wo pedodo atu ne mu nkomo bia no a for 0559 582754 0559 582754 and 0559 582754 na wone empenufoi etumi akasa cancer intervention ehun komo kwan ye befa so ne aboye ho ban free cancer ye twe ho abaye ba na yakọ no na afi ye free ne kwei ya hwe kwan ye befa so a ye beboye ho ban free cancer ehun Yamwakwaba Nkwa Hia dwumadie na wo hwe no afia mankwa tamaklo ene medin wasem bisa no de fato ho doctor ho de number no ebe mamo Evelyn de menya sure so de be mamo mba ha na adwen ti wo kọ kolebu a odi kan akra kire mu kira kwan dada na se ba kọ hwehwe cancer ehun komo twetwe Evelyn no say amoa na ye to so ne doctor Raphael Nyakuti obu Evelyn yan hwe say the prevention na mu na ye duri kwan be ne be fa so yebeboy ho ban free breast cancer ehun obi nim po se wo so ba hospital ti wo behunu no na se kura ba wo be kire yen se wo ba hospital ntami ehu a de mba yetimi aye de aboa nti yen hwe prevention
okay asa na yebekọ prevention ne so no yen hwe se dipa de ba hospital because no mpe bebre no na ya na scare nkofo ehuna no me na member hospital fe no me ko den de be ye men but se oba hospital in terms of cancer se ye honam no e wo ho na se bibia ye honam until say ye bete honam ne bi na ye de akọ lab no mu ahwem ehu ade kro no e wom say ye hwe signs and symptoms and ye ma bi wo de wani ho ade we de ye cancer but say be ya wo be ka se cancer pa nie de je say ye te honam ne bi e de call lab it impen bebre say nipa ne ba hospital la de di kan ye ne say ye bete baby a e wo no baby a ye suspect say cancer no anakokra miare ne wo ne ye te eho ne bi na ye de akọ lab ye friend biopsy nti ye be take biopsy na ekọ lab o mu be hwehwem ahwe sene ne cancer ne yobia esitie because ye fa no fo no bia ohun se no fo no se wo hwe no fo no ma ye wo baby a milk no eye e produce e na ye wo baby e produce wi a e be fa na abe pie no fo na no ama akra na no cancer kokwa mi awie na eye no fo no etimi ye baby a no fo milk no e produce ana se ahoma na e famu e de ba ne po no nti e wo se e call lab na ye hwe eye baby eye no fo na na se enam ahoma na no fo no e famu ba no emu aha nti e call lab na ya hwe after lab no obi wo ho no ma se ye hu ne ntema doctors etimi eye operation na se baby akokram yare ne wo ne ho ye kakra bi ye betwa ho kakra bi eti bebre ai na yo mu se so mu ba hospital ye betwa mu no fo da bi enye ni nyina se wo ba ntema baby akokram yare ne wo no se ho ye kakra bi a ne ye betimi aso ano ntema e ho ne pe ye mutimi bie no fo no mu ayi baby yare ne wo no na ya kan no fo na tum eti ye betwa wo no fo ne kakra bi enye se ni nyina na ye twa no fo ni nyina nti treatment ni bi no se eno ne operation ana se surgery no se ye betwa no fo no kakra baby ayare ne wo ana se ye be ye hwe ade no na edidi ko echi a aha we de se ye twa no fo ni nyina nti eno no it depend on results na ebeba no aha
na ye se ye twa ni nyina de se obewu o to ni twa no fo
there be onwo edro treatment na eto aso cancer treatment no eye ahodo nti se ye edikan ye bete ketwa na collab eba na se operation wo ma ye be ye operation no ye operation ni wia operation ye nipa ni e na ye nti emoa ne so so mfa wani hu omu nti ye wie operation na e free bibi chemotherapy ye edura ye ti se nsuo ye de siusu ebi ho ye tablet a wo benom na ye de ama nipa no nti de ye ne se cancer moa na aka no etimi ko na akwahyehi omu ase
nti na be na tiri hu nyina kuku yi
depending on the drone na obeje no
obuse sa kimo no ya na
depending on the drone na oje no edro bia ne say even parakra wo fa side effect wo ho aha nti normally ye way ye way say uwe benefit no to risk no nipa ne je na okoya kakra mu na ne ho beto ne kakra na me wa da me ahode no e wo kakra nti after surgery no na omu agi chemotherapy no obi o ha agi chemotherapy ni wi ya send radiation no etoa ne so radiation no mefa ne se ukotwa x-ray ahoden na eba na etimi fa wo mu na etwa wo photo sa na radiation ne te ba sa ahoden no de nti enu timi hye cancer na se nti se utimi ba ntema ye hu se wono fodum kakra bi wo ha ye be operation no ye be ma chemotherapy no ye be ye we depending on the way cancer ne te aha it definitely
Evelyn yonko we no so na ye mere na menko doctor so prostate de no so ye nto aso we de na da wani mi
we de da mani mi de be person me de kire eye ansa na we be develop into cancer no ye ka prevention no kwan be na mefa so ametimi a prevent me ho ye wo mammogram we di mfie efri 40 ekwa wo ye mammogram no mammogram no se be ya ombehu aha mammogram no eno ni we no iti wo ko hospital no efidie ni si ho ne ya fa wo no fo no won se wundi efri 40 ko na se emma bebre na no fo na tie egu kakwa aha nti eno no wo ko na ye de no fo no ato efidie so nti eno ne mammogram no aha nti wudi efri 40 years ekwa ya advice say obeye mammogram no routinely titi say bia every 2 years and I say wadi efri 50 kwa every year we ye mammogram no say bibi e sha say wo no fo no ma ebetimi apeke ne ntem say wadi efri 39 eba ekosi bia be 25 they recommended ultrasound no nti eno so wokọ na ye de efidie afa wo no fo ne ho bibi wo ma ebehu no fo ne ntem ebio self breast examination eno no aha eno no menyi ni say ye benya mra metimi e de ache eno so ye process but ye advocate say oba bia bosumi bia no ubu won say wi a o kan 5 days from there for access onofo no titi said
awie kra 5 days no account asa na waye screening
because also ubu won sa changes bebre ba onofo no ubebu won sa onofo no mu yedu ebu awro brazi akwa ya changes bebre ba nofo no nti eho no say yare bi wo ma wunhu but 5 days after omenses no na aba normal nti say bibi wo ma ubehu nti we recommend say oba bia no obeye self breast examination no ebia yearly na wa ba hospital na ya clinical breast examination no because wow ye but say oba hospital nurse ya training no doctor e de nsaka say bibi wo ma obehu nti de ye recommend
eno ye be ba wo so biem wo final ba ye doctor so ho say prevention no kwan be na ye be fa so na ye prostate ye be bo ho ban free cancer
yo me da say we can prevention technically it appears so to me use a word of prevention in terms of yes but there are ways to reduce our risks funny sir because to prevent something as only my idea than bana it's easy to prevent it because a spectrum never be breed have a deba but we know say near lifestyle be or your bema and I say in fact breast cancer and prostate cancer I also be sister and brother right yes if it's a gene up called BRCA1 and 2 the same gene or Obama if it's in the family you know also it predispose you Obama not to prostate cancer likewise Obama or ebusiam na man your bana man prostate cancer na Obama was so sure because it's similar into and once Obama was say exercise is very important. Maybe exercise. In fact, what we do know now, say, lack of safe, frequent sex. Your bema now one share your sex. It can predispose you to prostate cancer. Yeah, but the point that's why it has to be safe. One, the problem is that you see, the prostate gland sits between two organs of element. And the rectum, and also now, being toxins, the surrounding organs, the prostate is vulnerable in absorbing such toxins. So to take out the toxins out of your system is to ejaculate. So the more you ejaculate, and the more the toxins get out of it, and it boosts your immune system. It's one of the best ways now we know. But the other way around is say one you're not safe, you can also contract sexually and also BBFN prostatitis, infection about prostate, and long standing of inflammation, predisposing you to prostate cancer itself. Now, you see, sex and prostate cancer itself, the research is very specific. Now, we are looking at MMR in their 30s. Obviously, those in their 50s, 60s, the benefits near and yet all that's hard like those in their 30s and 20s. But here lies the way religion also plays a critical role here. For if you're not married, you can't say because this is based on medical education. So these things sometimes I'll say share a religious background and all that before you put them all into hand. But we know sex, according to the papers and research, and it has been proven, frequent safe sex, one of the ways. But there are other researchers, and they are saying the problem has to be how frequent also them and having sex. Well, Obiani system. Also, we have different biochemistries. At least a woman weekday also to me ejaculated twice.
Oh, okay.
It's irrespective of whether masturbation or sex, ejaculation is ejaculation. And American say in terms of medical education, what the research is making, but in terms of religion, and also a different thing altogether. Into another one, then exercise. And I was several more so now more fruit vegetables. These are some of the things. Very important. First and fresh tomatoes are very important. And we had teas be prostate. Now green tea. Now one of the best teas now we do know is hibiscus tea. Okay. Not the juice form no beneficial. Okay. But if it's the tea form like the tea green tea,
tea bags type
very important.
No, with the brand of copper. Although final advice, and breast cancer ni be beer, no the tea sorry fee no less. Or final very short one final. The mesre and my brain say yeah lifestyle, ye and sanom kesiye odidi aye kesiye because oye kesiya postmenopausal. Sa kesiye no estrogen ni je adwuma ya e be start ya converting kesiye no be converting na aye adwuma nti ye hwe ye lifestyle ye bebre na ye hu bibia wo ye no fo ho so a ye mfambra hospital na ye hwe adeko ye da se papa breast cancer no prostate cancer no breast cancer October nti ho nyame yadom na nkwa ho ye be hye da ye prostate nso ye September nti ye be ye ba na de na ye cancer interventions if you say busumi we no ye border road dey afa World Cancer Day ho that is ye did day na wie dey that is ye did enkomo no dey afa cancer ho nti ne no ya boboso no nti don't worry kra o mumre be so be hye da wura mu na o ma cheche ye enwumre dey ha na brema kwan na ye dey sie you darling mojadro Kwa FS thanks to Jehovah Clinic and afa Nanofix IT one more and a boy chidom near the Bremo Romeo collection designing men page one salon so ye miti kama e de ma me cameraman ne woman I Beatrice ne yimane wana aka madam was papa logo so ne Frank set ene Gilbert obeboy en papa e de munyina se mo ne hwe na da sane nkwane ahoden wo honso a ye beto so mpanifo madam munyina se se mo bae e de mo se ye mamo enhwe